Rosie, get your ginger ass right here, now.
Yes, Dad?
Rosie, is it true that you stole Lily's ice cream?
Yes, I'm sorry, Mom and Dad.
Sorry won't help it. Because stealing is very, very bad. So, Rosie, how dare you steal Lily's ice cream? That's it, you are grounded for 1 week.
Now give Lily's ice cream back.
Lily wants her ice cream back.
Fine, Lily.
Thank you. Now go to bed.